Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make a finger licking chicken curry sauce. Here my chicken, they are nicely washed. I'll go in to marinate them with some paprika, curry powder, some ginger and garlic powder, some salt. Then I added a little onion powder. I'll be using my palm to combine them very well to see that all the spices are well mixed. Here I'll be setting them aside for 15 minutes to marinate. In my saucepan, I added some olive oil, went in with the chicken. I'll be stir frying for 15 to 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, I'm taking it off the heat. Guys, if you like what you're watching, please do not fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified whenever I post another video. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much. So next, I added our garlic in the oil, some pepper. I stirred for a little time and then I went in with my carrots, red, green, yellow bell pepper. I went in with my light oyster sauce, curry powder, a little ginger and garlic powder, then a little salt. Then I'll be adding some water for it to steam cook for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I went in with the stir-fried chicken. I'll be adding a little cornstarch to thicken it up. Please bear in mind that when this cools down, it will be thickened more than the way you're seeing it already. Lastly, I went in with my sliced cabbage. The cabbage is so tender, so I didn't want to overcook it because the heat from the sauce, it's okay to even overcook them. So I just added it last and then gave it a quick stir, and now our sauce is ready. Please guys, do not fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg you, if you've done so already, thank you and God bless you. See you in my next one. Bye. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. See you guys. Bye.